But I mean, I feel like we should congratulate some. So Spito to be a good Durban July, guys. He appeared. He was with celebrities, interview, and How was it, Chief? How was the experience?
Fun. The experience was good. Fun. I didn't know I feel like I'm going last minute that time. But eventually, as long as it's free that time. I just get
Rastala.
I
Yeah.
celebrity.
Ngithanda lesa sicathulo bosifakile.
Hey, cow, ebeslimazi.
Sibonile leso.
So good.
Ngisho ukuthi amala last minute.
Yeah, good leaders, thank you. But babatla go benefit and it's not about that. Like if babatla go bona a good leader, when we host events, go dijo go thing. Good leaders, they eat bamalas after they have served everyone. That's leadership for me. You serve people, then when they are satisfied, that's when you can relax.
True.
Yeah, so that's leadership for me.
That's a wonderful answer.
Izoqeda ukudla bangasekadla abantu. You had a question bekakhala manje akhalele intombi.
And also congratulations ngiyabona kuneringi mama.
Nami ngibonile address.
No, like
no.
Congratulations.
Engagement. Okay, let me ask a question. Engagement ring. It's on which finger?
Asazi abanye bayahluka.
No.
Noma ufaka izazi. Awuboni ngizengakhipha ngifuna ukuyibheka kahle usikhathi. Izazi noma kanjani.
Ngibona kanjalo angazi.
That's the thing, Dwan. And in today's generation problem, it's not everyone who's willing to wait for you. Go to Nzimali.
True.
Unless if you'll be lucky enough to tell umuntu lokuzivela uyimisela ukuthi uzokha nawo. Or ugly. Yes.
I'm very sharp. Yeah, I'm very. There's no need to do it.
Oh, it's like.
I'm in the
Ne.
How are we shooting? Are we shooting one video and then?
Yeah, if you want to.
Nah, one thing. There's no pause.
No topic is off.
Okay, sharp.
Flop.
No, I trust you guys.
But like this is a low budget channel.
It's not. Like this it's not.
And for now, we still trying out myself. But you're recording sound here. This is the first day. First day in the
Yeah,
it is the first day. Then if this is time, then
Okay.
another episode. Skamakalo I love once. Last week, mama.
No worries.
Nice.
so Spanish are there. So Spanish are nice.
Oh.
Good.
Yeah. Ngizwa ukuthi
Hey,
audio.
Boxa ngamazazo
Yes.
Bethu kuleka umswempe.
Akazange nezazi.
No, but it's fine. It's fine.
Kuleka khasona singena ngesitayela ngithi sibuye vele sesibuye. Singena ngezinye.
Grand angle.
secret.
I'm not ready.
Yes. Ready.
Ready.
Yes.
Sharp, Nathan.
Can't you video Khalid?
Aye.
Oh.
Yeah,
Hey, yo, bam, it's your boy Scott from the Boycott SEOTT from 1246. You know the vibes. Yes, sir. We're back again with another episode. Vibescape Origin Podcast. VSOP, the government. When the topic is off, topic. No topic is off, topic.
The topic is off.
Topic.
All right.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Should we go again? One last time.
Yeah, we can
Yes.
go again.
Okay.
Yeah.
VSOP, the government. When the topic is off, topic. Thank God. Danko. I miss this place. I'm not alone for sure. Bona nentombazana enhle entsha engayazi.
Yes.
Please introduce yourself. Tell them who you are.
Okay, thank you. Hi everyone. I go by the name of Reratile. And I'm just a pretty leader, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Hayi-ke niyangazi-ke bafethu ifamily yaFace le yabo ngingathuzwa amazaza ngifike ngamanye amanga nje konakele bafethu bayede
Konakele.
umzukulu wami khona usigasumela asungekazi ucelile usifunda hlase njengesilo samanzi umlabonga wena ola ngezihlengelo zomfula khuphuka lapho uzwele
Yebo. And at the back of the one and only. Akunankinga. I was joking. Uspito yena yedwa. Namaz was the one and only.
yeah
And he just say, Uspito, we have to tell the people, even though say it's confidential, he doesn't want people to know. But I mean, I feel like we should congratulate some. Yabo. So Uspito to be a good Durban July, guys. He appeared. He was with celebrities, some interview, and
hayi
I
sinje madoda hayi man safuthi yeah
how was it, Chief? How was the experience?
Fine, the experience was good, fine. Even though I fit guys hanging on last minute that time.
yeah
But eventually as long as it's free that time. I just get
Brashtala.
ahlangane nabantu abaqhele
Yeah.
ama-celebrity
mina ngithanda lesa sicathulo bosifakile
Hey, cow, ebeslimazi.
usibonile leso
Lesokuthi.
engisho ukuthi ama-outfit ahlangane ngama-last minute.
moshakele hayi
Konjwa-
It was a fun experience. I enjoyed it.
yeah
Konjwa, what was the theme?
And then one last thing, yazi into eyenza ukuthi ngiye kule moto.
Ah.
Exam.
Ex yakho ubona ex yakho lo
Bahlangana nama-ex.
wafoda kuyo Durban July.
Mamela bahlangana nama-ex lapha eDurban noGhost ahlangana noNaquil.
Eh,
Noba futhi
uGhost ahlangana
uGhost
noSim.
ahlangana noSim.
Hey,
Yabona le ndaba yama-ex
moshakele.
Zabuya lapha.
bari connect abantu.
hey
Mara ngathi scam lesa.
I even like the team, kanti team yakhona.
Yeah, the theme.
Cowboy.
Ngibona uLasizwe ugcoke ezinye lapha.
hey no
Umbonile?
mbonile mfethu bekumoshakele lapha ubani umjitha lo osuke eStates ubani umjitha lo
Mansamin.
uba
Mansamin.
cha mfethu usweyili
Oh, so
Oh, Swahili.
lapha mfethu ebonakala impela lapha
Oh, it was there.
it was crazy dog it was happening bafethu njengoba nibona ukuthi you are not alone sinosisi uReratilwe
Yes.
lana singathanda ukuthi ayichaze you can just tell us about yourself
Yeah.
who and what you all about
So the people know.
Okay, it's me, Kaze. Yeah. Hi again, everyone. I'm Reratile, and yeah, I'm just a girl from Swati, Swartregens. It's near Rustenburg, and you know, Skolo. But it turns out, Hori, I have good leadership skills. I didn't know. I just found out. But
Yep.
yeah, this is,
Is it
Yeah.
good? How's it?
it is very good. Hey,
Mm.
it is very good.
Mm.
I would encourage everyone to kadlala.
So what?
It's not for everyone.
Being a
but
leader,
like,
yo.
Yeah.
but it's really good.
Yeah, it's
it's
not
really
for
good
everyone.
if you enjoy it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Would you say to actually know if you have like good leadership skills, you have to be a confident person, or you can start off as being shy and then you
Upgrade.
I
Cause
started as
mm,
Shy.
shy person.
shy,
I was
yeah.
very shy. I was very
reserved.
because kids are boarding school, so I was afraid of a lot of
Yeah,
people,
people
and
see
yeah.
it.
So I started very low with my friends,
Yeah.
and then now I'm doing a podcast VSOP.
VSOP. So
I
did you
believe
hear that?
also that sometimes the environment that you're in can influence maybe the potentials that you have within you
Yeah.
that you were not aware of.
True.
So what is it that made you realize Uti, you are capable of
Being a leader.
leading and all of that. Like, what was the turning point for you to actually see it? Yeah, now I think I have this. I got this.
Okay, you know what happened now? Like I said, because of boarding school, right? And in boarding school, I was part of the class reps and stuff like that. But it wasn't that hectic. It wasn't a hectic leadership thing. And I wasn't that confident like I am now, Babo. So I was like I said, negile shy, you know, stuff like that.
Yeah.
And then one day, get a self-introspection, man. I was like, you know what, Raratile? I always had the girl that I am now in my mind. So I was like, for me to reach there, for me to be that girl, I need to do something. Babo. I'm not an active person. I can't go to the gym. I can't go to the gym to see that girl, to meet with that girl. And then go Khatolo. I stay in Khatolo, by the way.
Oh,
Yes.
Endaweni eyodwa.
I didn't know. Yay.
So
Shout out to Khatolo.
yes, shout out to Khatolo. So go Khatolo banta di poster for a house committee, what.
Yeah.
Why are you laughing?
Oh,
So banta di poster house committee. And then the first day I saw them, I was like, this is my chance.
Yeah.
For me to meet that girl, for me to be that girl that I want, I need to utilize this opportunity. And then I applied. I fail. Yeah, and then we started campaigning. And then, yeah, I got selected, fortunately. When there's list into and I was like, okay, now it's time to work on myself. Yeah, and then kawaii girl, yeah. So that's actually the reason why I decided to be part of the leadership. I wanted to be the girl that I am now. I can't always have a picture of this girl, but I don't do anything about it. Yeah, but
True.
yeah, so that's what happened actually.
That's really interesting. Yeah, very
It's a good story.
Well. So I wanted to ask as well, ne? So for you, I understand what it means to embrace the gift that you have within you, which is the leadership one, right? So what does leadership mean to you? Like, I believe this is my stance, ne? I believe leadership, it's not about you.
True.
Ne? But it's about the people that you're leading and all that. Yeah. It's like you become a servant in a way. I don't know. So what's your idea of leadership as a whole? Like, how do you see leadership, or what kind of a leader are you aspiring to be?
Okay, so
that's a good question.
Leadership to me is being selfless and being there for other people, basically. So you just not forget, but like you put yourself after Batawabang, you know, because leaders are very scarce, hey.
Yeah.
People good leaders, thank you. But who benefit and it's not about that. Like if we want a good leader, when we host events, go good leaders, they eat bamalas after they have served everyone. That's leadership for me. You serve people, then when they are satisfied, that's when you can relax.
True.
Yeah, so that's leadership for me.
I always
That's a wonderful answer.
Izoqeda ukudla bangasekadla abantu. You had a question.
So how does the campaigning
yes, they did vote for us. So
like I don't care about like structure. What I wanna know is when a person that like the night before Like,
Dude, it was yo. Yeah, because you know what? What's the whole process, ne? Firstly, Fanta post we regular 5 days for you guys to apply. This is what is required from you. What. You submit the CVs, the motivational letter, and whatnot. Ne? Then after that, there'll be a period, interview. They interview everyone who applied.
One by one?
Yes, one by one. Get there, they ask you questions like, what does leadership mean to you? Because you can't serve the students when now saying to leader, an experience as a leader, or also motivation. Like you've always wanted to be a leader, but you were looking up to someone on a lead.
Yeah.
And then they get to know you, they get to know problem. Yeah, but they don't do it immediately. And then after that period, select that they go.
Did you actually interview her?
What?
Like we interview her?
Yes, I did.
Went well. I mean, bro.
I did, and also they check the dress code as well. How you how you present yourself, your manners, and they check a lot of things. Sharp. And then after that period, selection, they release a list. Okay, go Khatolo, we have 12 house committee members. So out of 30 something or 100 people that interviewed, but at 12. And then they release a list in the morning. You check if your name is not there.
Sorry, bye.
Yeah.
Next time. Did apply for soon. What's it next time?
So for me, it was I was so scared. But the thing is, when I went to the interview, I wasn't scared. I was very confident. I was like, small waters, I got this. Because also in my mind, I was like, if I fail this interview, already taking a picture of what's gonna happen when I go to the work environment. So I'm not gonna be scared. In interview, go miracle. And then I pass. I got okay, baby, yeah. Okay. Yes. And then but I couldn't sleep that night. I couldn't sleep. I even switched off my phone when the list was released. I just saw your name on the list. Yay! What ringing? And then I switched on my phone, got check, and it's like,
it was online.
But they released it Modi group chatting.
Who does the interview?
The management. Yeah.
What's my question? What does leadership mean to you?
Yes, so that's what happened. It was so difficult for me to sleep. I remember that night I didn't even eat, Baba. I was so because in my mind I was like, with the people working in interview, I could see good leaders. I could see my competition. I could see the people these ones. But I was like, you know what? It's a motivation because when I get to the work environment, I'm gonna see the same people. Yeah, not same, but like similar
type.
Yes, people in my gates.
That's a really good story, and I hope you obviously motivate people who will be watching, or even if you are shy, you can become a leader.
Yeah. Like he said, sometimes the environment I never saw leaders. No, not potential. I don't know. Yeah, bites. No, like it's shy. Number one, ne? And Megila antisocial. I wasn't ghostwriting like that one time. So I wasn't exposed to the leadership structure or leadership things Kohai. Because now the leaders are Kohai. Kiri politic. I had NC, EFF. So now I wasn't interested in anything inside the politic. So I wouldn't look up to anyone. Now I don't even know my counselor, and it's a big thing. But yeah. So Hakil Varsity exposed to House Committee, the SCC, the SSC. I'm like, let me see
It's a tactic big.
No invisible. Yes, okay.
I know.
Zakan!
So how do you like come about with okay, sharp? That is the most like about disadvantage because you have this stereotype of what leaders should be men and what. So then what motivated you? But no, I'm doing this thing.
She hates men.
No. What?
Oh, you don't
And I
know.
believe I can be the first female president. But okay, mentality men.
Yeah.
I got the influence ko high, ne? My dad always treated me like an egg, babo. So I wanted to do something, sissy. Sisa, I don't know. I don't know how to explain this, guys.
Yeah,
Papa ka o godisitse as a soft girl, shy, like naksepile, ngwana ka o shy, So I wanted to do something so opposite what I believe I'm gore ke sone. Wa ntlhaloganya? And now I get a motivation. I just wanted to be the girl that I am now. I just wanted to meet this girl because kale aligamo. So ne batla go montsha so that I can create a new picture. Yeah, the girl that I'm gonna meet when I start working.
Leadership.
So, do you believe, I have a question actually. So, do you believe, Oti, we can, and even if we do have a female leader, maybe everything will be different, because now I'm asking this based on into Oti. Sometimes I'm not saying all women, but they usually approach situations with emotions, right?
True.
Which makes them bangaqini, ne? Bese ngiphinde ngithi, if let's say a female grew up under a leadership, yeah, like or ukhule nabafana, they grew up with boys, they understand the mentality yabo. I think maybe a good leader can come out of that. I don't know, I'm just ngiyabuza kahle kahle. And then compared to a female who grew up around amantombazana, usually I'm assuming ukuthi ama-judgment wabo will be biased because obviously they'll favor amantombazana when it comes to abafana vele, you understand? So what's your stance on that?
Yeah. I'm trying to.
Yeah.
Like. Yeah. You're making sense by the fact that a good leader can come from a girl or Majida, but also I feel like that girl can also be in favor of Majida because she wasn't exposed to Banyana as well. You know, I believe a good leader could come from a space in both the gents, and so now that person knows how to approach situations. Why it's okay if the situation comes, this is where I'm going, this is the direction I'm going, either ke ya ko Majiteng or ke ya ko Banyaneng. But with emotions, ke nagana gore Banyana ba botlhe ba emotional, even new gens, just that you guys don't show it. But it's easy for us to be overwhelmed, and I could just start crying now. So Mara females are good leaders, man. You know why I'm saying that? Like we can see when something is coming and then we plan for it. With you guys, no. I feel feet has situation. Now. Yeah. So I think females can. Pila ne. I'll support a government the deputy chairperson is a female. The deputy president is a female. So that Leha president like so that female can be there to assist with decision making. Now, if the public is crying 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, I see danger and then can assist the president in planning for one time. Yeah. That time is coming and I'll be that.
Izos.
Okay.
Just be patient, guys.
Can I ask you like a different question?
Okay, no
So we are
problem.
back to
No
what your
problem.
choice. When I what's your take? What do you think about the situation? I would say about that I call men would say banga to not show their emotions whether in public or whatsoever.
It's okay to not show your emotions in public because Linda, my dad raised me like that. Like, I don't show people when I'm going through something. Maria hore in the high color, guys, like, cause now if you don't color, or build up by anger, the next thing now get GBV.
Yeah.
I think that's where GBV started. Actually, that's where it's coming from because now you don't know how to express your emotions, and the only way you can do that is by beating someone because apparently Bondora they have to know how to fight, they have to know Shem Kalan guys.
I'm asking
Kalan, just
because
have your safe space
yeah,
and cry if you have to.
that's so brotherly for the
So are you religious or
I'm a Christian.
you're a Christian?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, good. So
Ah.
obviously my advice obviously when it comes to that indoda ikhali, yeah, indoda ikhala kuNkulunkulu kuphela.
Okay.
Yeah, indoda can cry kuNkulunkulu
When-
liqiniso. Yeah, yabona ke lapha ukhala endaweni e-right, ungazali loyana. That is your
Wow,
family.
no,
true.
Yeah,
Wow.
you understand? I
True.
think that's where you get to renew your strength as well.
Yeah.
And everything. It makes sense.
Mm.
You
Yeah.
understand? Because he's the solution. Yeah, it gives
Everything.
solutions and everything.
Yeah.
You understand that? So, yeah. Mara, yeah, so it might be controversial, the thing you sure,
Yeah.
but now ngizokhulumela vele as a Christian, ne?
Yeah.
Indoda ikhala kuNkulunkulu qha. That's what I'm saying. Angitholi? Yeah, because uNkulunkulu he knows everything and get umuntu akekho perfect.
True.
Ngizokhala kubafo, next time ubafo seyaxoxa.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
yakhala insizwa now.
It's very weak this one. Yeah.
Bekakhala manje akhala intombi.
Uyangizwa? So
Yeah.
ngibona ukuthi ukhale kumdali. Everything nje ibeke kumdali. And also congratulations, ngiyabona kuneringi mama.
Nami ngibonile
No
ngavele
shame.
address. Wabeka.
No, like
No.
Congratulations.
Engagement. Okay, let me ask a question. Engagement ring. It's on which finger?
Asazi.
Abanye
No.
Noma ufaka izazi. Awubona ngizengakhipha ngifuna ukuyibheka kahle izazi noma kanjani.
No, I'm not engaged. It's just a piece of. Hey,
jewelry.
why are you not asking me who why can really watch?
No, iwashi ngiyifakile yabo. So bengeke mhlambe ngigxile kakhulu esandleni phela into esandleni mina something yabo. So I was like you shaggy.
No, I'm not.
Oh,
I'm not. It's just.
You like silver than gold?
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah, it may. Okay, sorry, I like silver. Oh yeah. Mara, there are other outfits that don't want to keep gold.
Good.
Yeah. But I prefer silver.
I know me since Sejenziwe.
In this generation, awunamshado. That's why I want to be a president.
Why?
Kadala, like there are good guys out there. Just that, ne. 90% of you guys give up a hetang. So now we conclude like all the guys are just like that. Mara, they are good guys.
Dogs.
Ne? Umshado ukhona lapha ngaphandle.
Yeah.
Umshado kakhulu ugcwele emoya ngase KZN. Yabo moyela khona le ngase KZN manje. Hayi Eastern Cape ungafiki. Hayi Eastern Cape. I'm for sure. Yeah, mara I think Eastern Cape Hey, khona
Maybe.
la, maybe.
Abolwandle.
But please attend.
Zama zama.
Umshado ukhona bafethu. Iy'nsizwa laphana ziyagana impela. Yabo leyo nto leyo. Isikhathi asisi-waste laphana, sichithe isikhathi.
We mama.
Umuntu uma umfuna nje uyalungisa iy'mfanelo.
Fast.
You understand? And I don't know what you believe, ne? I believe ukuthi sometimes there's this thing, ideology most people have, but you can't marry someone or you can't engage someone you haven't you didn't spend enough time with them. Ne? You can't just uthi ngiyamthatha. But for me, I think umuntu, you get to learn about the person when they walk into your world. As umjita, mawufuna umuntu wesimame, umfaka kumhlaba wakho, qala ngithi you are the one creating umhlaba for you. So she needs to, you get to learn about her in your own world. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Ushade mfethu wenza into right mfethu. Lento ukuthi uzohlala nawe 5 years bese ungamshadi uphume uthi uyala eshop kanti uyoshada umshini. Inkinga leyo. Because it's happening.
True.
Do you understand? So I don't know when ukuthi ucabanga. Do you think you have to get to know a person maybe 5 years, 10 years? Or you can, if niyathandana and you want to build something, you learn niyofundana along umshado.
Nagare engolong kuyona, people change. What if we date for 5 years and then after you marry me, that's when I decide, oh no, I wanna go outside and play, and then I cheat on you, and then it's a problem. And then wanyala, we get married sharp or fast. You just saw me 2 days ago, and then we are getting married. I can still decide to change if I want to be a good wife or not. If I want to be your wife or not. So engwe kuyona shem.
Yeah, engwe.
Can I ask you something? Do you think do we have to Mr. Two, let's say umfana nentombazane bafuna ukuhlala boyi-two before bashade, does it help or break umshado?
Ngizokhulumela on a Christian perspective.
Fundis.
Shumaela baba.
Obviously, they're not married, right? So obviously they are fornicating in a way. I get obvious and reasons. So I don't think it's a good chance, ne? But into engayibeka umuntu, because masohlala naye ukukipita mfethu kuyahluka. Because manje uzogcina sobona abangcono ngaphandle. Because khumbula angithi as much as ukipita naye usazifunda nawe and uyakhula njengoba achazile usisi ukuthi umuntu uyashintsha. Ngiyangithola. Decide ukuthi hayi mhlahla lo muntu uyangibona.
Yeah.
Lo hayi akana vibe umuntu. So uyahamba so uyaphuma so ubheka abantu lephi ngaphandle. Usumshiye kuphi? Endlini. Do you understand? So now amantombazana, I think they need to respect themselves. Bangayi-allow leyo nto leyo. Leyo nto disrespect ndoda.
Bathi yini fat themselves.
Yeah, leyo it's not a good thing. So abantu besifazane kumele nabo bahluze emqondweni. If umfana uyakufuna, at least makabe nalento yokuthi yazi athi ngimlobole. Yangizwa? Yeah, at least mawulotsholiwe phela somfazi womuntu nawe uyazizwa. Understand? Uma uhleli laphayana ngifike nozodwa kodwa ukhona. Ayikho ngomtshela yona. It's angishadanga. You understand? Ekhaya bakwazi. You see, it's a problem. And it's a norm these days.
Yeah, these days fun.
Thinking in this economy fun and I was to keep amalobolo no. Does a mantombazana okho show ukuthi la ngizophelela kuphi.
Jami economy it's ngitshele something ne. Like uDan Pen ahlezasho. Athi money is free. Yabo thina siphila kwi-era nemali. It's just that we are not equipped enough with the skills to actually generate money. You understand? We can make money online.
A lot of money.
There's no money. Bafethu ayikho lona. Befethu khona abantu abenza ama-million as we speak.
Ahleli pha.
Sini problem yethu si comfortable with the idea of being successful, but you don't want to put in the work.
Yeah,
that's the problem. Yangithola. Hayi thina hayi sizoyibona. Sayifuna lento. Mfethu spar. Do you understand? So it's a problem, dog. Yabo. Mara sharp economy vele yatekateka. Sharp, you understand? Mara imali ikhona bafethu.
If you die for is on.
Exactly.
Mara, the economy shouldn't
Tashikuma
stop you
shishlabaka.
from
Yes.
meeting the love of your life. If you really want to be with that girl, economy I receive.
Let's say I really want to be with that girl, but maternity got made for now.
Samudera maternity.
Somebody go work.
Yeah, fayophandla. Fayophandla.
Masithi yophanda sisho usume lapha emakhoneni ubamba amawukapho ubamba abantwana bakho.
Thepha. Hey mara vele
Thepha lo.
Thepha njama.
Not that guy.
Dangerous.
Kubuya ngabantu.
Hey, God.
Sisho ukuthi mfethu like bayophanda mfethu like and enye into like impilo like the life you want you decide wena ne do you have
Before you actually live it.
exactly I understand uyayiplan aqala ukuthi okay this is how I want to live for the rest of my life like mina so angiziboni ngivuke ekseni ngosebenzela umuntu ne
Yeah.
already iklikhile engqondweni right although maybe there is a foundation that I have to have in order for me to do you understand obviously leyo ngizoyi acknowledge because it's part of the journey right but mina
True.
ngifuna ukuthi mfethu ngivuke ngo-10 or ngo-12 yes lapho ngibeye Mauritius ngishawa umoya lapha eGoli imali yayingeneka
Uthoke ivest.
iyi life engiyifunayo leyo ngiyazi it's expensive so I must put in the work
Yeah, true.
you understand so impilo efunayo uyazidecide kanjalo ngithola angeke uthi and enye into sinale stigma thina ama-Jeep especially thina esinale nto ukuthi I want the best for umuntu engizozwana naye ne you know ukuthi currently angijimanga imali ayikho uyamtshela ukuthi mama can you please wait for me I'm going to hustle please wait and then you hustle and then ubuya so I believe akekho umjida who doesn't want to give umuntu abazwana nabo umhlaba I want to give her like everything she wants. Do you understand? Every journey onaleya unayo leya but now inkinga sishaya sifuna ukumtshela ukuthi mama phela ngicingile siyafosta you understand ukuthi uyasilimala uyangithola and at some point bagcine babone nabo ukuthi umjidi uyafosta yebo suke nawe uthola umuntu ongananga esakushiya ahambe nabo khasonga lapha It's slow. And I would it's slow. Uyangithola usabuilder umuntu lo abantu bafuna ukufika indlu seyiqediwe uyangithola so into kanjalo le mina ngibona kanjalo angazi kanjalo.
That's the thing, Dwan. And in today's generation problem, it's not everyone who's willing to wait for you.
Exactly. True.
Unless if you'll be lucky enough to tell umuntu lokuzivela uyimisela ukuthi uzokha nawe. Or ugly. Your span, everything. And also problem, like you said, khona manje inkinga was forced or you tryna asazi uzama ukuprove ngoba unamali. Yabo. Bese mawufika endaweni like I think we spoke about this last time. For example, you figure clapping or groove, and then there's this other girl who to phone impress. What's time about the Torah? Of accents I saw. So what I'm calling the seeing come.
You must remember, music clapping competition is high. On a track dealer, on a highs. Le mali lo is it's nothing. On uzama impress abantwana. Ifike ikuthumela lapha ekhaya.
And then she's gone.
Gone kanje.
Gone.
So yakhala, futhi manje la ngithi hayi hayi Namzwana. So yakhala, it's a problem.
Go uzoyisebenzisa le mali uzame something. Make more money. That's why I prefer spending money to make more money.
This thing I want to touch on something that's a big name. Ukuthi amantombazane ne most uthola abantu bikuthumela ne yena ukuthumela nimthathe nimspendele lesema Cape Town ithengele utshwala ithengele amabheka adoka yini nani why don't the mali ayithola lapha ayithathe invest somewhere ngoba business ekawo victim uzokuxoxela leyo yaphila impilo ngakhona leyo
imali ayidle ngakhona
but then imali ukuphi manje khishaphe ukuthi yena sekhe imali ukuphi no abasakhona ukuyipointa. So then into engistressayo ukuthi why bangathathi le mali le
Yazifana nani
Smart
into
move.
eshoyo, ne?
and then le mali le ka ngiyabelieve ukuthi le mali iloyiwe ne iphelele etshwaleni.
Yeah, most of the time,
Most of the time,
yeah, le mali, you can't do anything ngayo. Kumele uyidle.
Yeah.
Like angazi, like
Iphelela manje, yeah.
Awuyicabangeli.
Spend.
Yeah.
You understand? Awukwazi ngisho nawo lawo maphuthumela awakwazi ukuthi ayisave leyo mali. Ngithola most yabo laba yabo.
But
About
yeah,
12.
over 12.
Yes, they know ukuthi le mali leya a day 100K kumele ngispend like so snacks a day. Akamandi ukuthi angakunika yonke, uyazi vele izophela leyo mali leyo. Do you understand? So into kanjalo. Yayithola. So into kanjalo nje.
Okay, can I lahlela my 2 billion opinion?
Yes, Marcella.
Sometimes it's not the things that you healthy and stuff. Ne? It's a thing of where you're coming from as a girl. Like let's say 35 friends, you are used to 3.5, and a guy comes to you with 35,000. You okasinahanele investment there. You are just kore onahana hore yo uzwa guy demand, and then why spend. So advice to you guys, when you have a girl child,
Yeah.
teach her how to plan financially. Yeah, you are used to 3.5, yes, but when you get 35,000, take your 3.5 and invest
That's smart.
the rest.
But I feel like it starts imali encane. uNkulunkulu ngiyakanikeza imiliyoni akazi ukuthi akwazi ukuthenga 100 rand. He wants. Let's say there's this thing I've been like questioning you like on social media, but if God will answer your prayers, kusasa, everything you prayed about kusasa, will you be able to handle that?
Yeah.
Will you?
That
Let's
is
say
There'll be a lot of pressure.
yeah, so then
Yeah.
you must build yourself every day with okay, sharp. Sasa if uNkulunkulu aphinde ngithandaze, will that be able to get
So isikhathi sokucabanga asikho.
yabo asike isikhathi sokucabanga. So then into ngisho ukuthi you can't expect a million but awukwazi ukhandle 100 rand and so on.
Yeah.
So then even though I think it starts nama habits, how you handle the 3.5 uthola.
When yourself.
It's not a matter ukuthi it's big money. Even if you can get let's say ukhola 3.5 then uthola 10,000. It's not that far from 3.5. Even if let's say ukhola 3.5 then the same way let's say the 3.5 the 10,000 that we told you from Amaplayers or anything we told her from your work la maybe promoted from anything obviously ama expenses are cost of 15,000 noma ngabe kai ukhola 10,000 but the expenses will be 15,000. So then that's what I think ukuthi no matter what le mali le abayithola ngokuthi mina nani ihlezi kayidliwa nanoma ngabe bakunikeza yona bathi thatha nayi imali engaka bazoyispenda still.
Yeah, enye into mina ngibelieve ukuthi abantu bayenza izinto ngendlela mhlambe abangayo, ne? Yazi ngichaza ukuthini? Ne? Khona umuntu ozospend imali to make more money.
Yeah.
Khona umuntu ozosave imali just to save money.
Yeah, ukuthi yes.
Umehluko ukhona, ne? Yabo laba who save money like 2 rand nje sekayasave. Uthulile ukuthi most yabo labo bantu laba ngathi ilabantu ekuthiwa bastingy khona abantu ekuthiwa bastingy lo muntu lo
imali ayiziwe
akathekeli naniksi
sale boxini nasebhenki ayihlala ama charges
ama charges uzothe yasimazi it's a problem ekhona umuntu ozothi yabona ngale mali enginayo athi ngifake lapha ya invest lapha yes even the Bible teaches that you must invest your money. Yeah, athi angizobeka lapha yakube into kanjalo ngiyangithola. So abantu I think kuya ngumuntu ukuthi kanjani. Sometimes mawufuna izinto ezikanjalo you need to pray for wisdom.
Yeah.
Because ezinye izinto mfethu angeke ukwazi phela usathane naye khona.
Yeah.
Like for instance I blew it. Umuntu mfethu umuzwe kuthiwa uthole 50 meters.
Yeka.
Mawumbheka manje.
It's been a 50 le.
Ana nisi.
Ngise yonke into.
Mina ngiyidle manje. Uzibuze kanti lo muntu lo waya investa. I think kula ngithi khona sometimes usathana naye sonke. Money is spiritual. So if you don't pray for wisdom you'll have a problem. So even if you can win another 50 million, you do the same thing. Because awunayo leya nto leya. So yazi nje unokubona mfethu feeling yemali. Sometimes awulali uma unemali. Yes.
Awulambi nokulala.
You keep on checking your bank balance. Yeah.
Hey, man, it's spiritual kakhulu.
Yeah, zaga.
So obviously kudingeka vele kwesinye isikhathi kube nomuntu vele mhlawumbe okulekelelayo umdala. Yabakubonisa ukuthi hayi mama please.
Uthi ukucabanga
And
cabanga.
yabona when you do that, kula izinto zifikela khona. Like you get ideas on how to do this. Like how? Yeah. And vele ngayenza le. And most abantu ababhlu imali can't realize how much I should have done this.
Yeah.
So money is not there anymore. You see, so yeah, it's like that.
It's just like those ones. Bakhona la kusi. I'm sure. I must speak about RF, road accident fund, and
Yes.
and Ishpatimali, or what do they call it? Like abazali bakushiyela imali, inheritance. Yeah, but I'm just you know before so you told it's okay, I'll get a certain money. Bakhona la plan was okay. With this money, I want to invest. I want to do this and that. Mara the second the money ingena.
Yeah, they forget about it.
Jumbo.
Yeah, that's true, man.
Azafika umqondo.
But also, I think if maybe leyo mali leyo ifike ngendlela engasiyo, it becomes a problem. Man. Sometimes most abantu aba-inheritayo, they already know how to make more money. It's like they got the background of how to generate money for themselves. So that when they inherit everything they know what to do with that money. It's not like they will spend it recklessly. And before they get that inheritance, they already have their own money. I understand. So I think now it's like you have to create the background or the foundation for your offsprings so that also we share like uTempena does that. Uze wathi mina imali yami yamafa won't go to my kids because already my kids are millionaires already. So imali yami izoya ku-foundation thizeni to support yangithola abantu abahluphekile, abantu abaswele, yangithola angifuni balwele lefa leli. Akusele like ngathini ngibafundisile ngibanikile ilentuza bathi khona lesi don't teach a man a fish. Teach a man how to fish.
Yeah.
Understand?
Don't teach a man. Don't give a man a fish. Teach him how to fish. But if you steal a fish from the other man, you make him mad. But if you keep the other one, you make him dependent. And you want me,
Yeah. So into kanjalo le. Understand? So sometimes the background ibalulekile.
Yeah, background.
Ukuthi uyendlela kanjani imali. So sometimes lento le iba contagious. If like family yakho vele imali, you know how to handle it and all of that, and then automatically now our common funds, you have ways of multiplying them. You understand it? And you spend the money like you're crazy. You understand? There are kids today, like abantwana bama-billionaire. They are all about money, they're searching for opportunities. Like it's like they instill that shandisi from the Saku who say, hey, look for solutions.
Yeah, kufanele
there are problems everywhere. Just look for solutions. You make money.
Kumele abantu bakhuliswe njalo.
But if, let's say, South Africa, let's get into reality. Everything. Average people over us. There's that one rich aunt. Which I want to go in every family. There's the one that, like, the Mutini money buy, but you can't even ask him for 100 rand. Like, if buy money corner, but you can't. You show which the Mundo because she mad. I share a Nina. There are high chances that you misuse the money because you're not set up mentally.
They were soiling this. True.
Sometimes I told you we told a little man. Lumuntu lo beka stinge saphila ngisho file. Igadiye.
Ngitshela umama wakho The muntu ka
Oh, it's all you know.
10,000 but kuma same applies the muntu ka because
Bale stokfela. Asaphila.
Imali yakhe wakekho azoyithini yabo so ikanjalo ishangisi bra.
But financial education is important.
It's very
Yeah,
important. Yeah, it's very
important.
important.
Siyayidinga leyo shangisi leyo
Dingeka yona vele wasifundisa ukuthi imali iphathwa kanjani.
yes
Because if you don't know,
Then
obvious.
it's child.
and
South
also
Africa, I think most of the time you have fundis and then do they teach it in schools?
no they
I'm
don't.
not
They
fundis.
don't. Nah, namangkhulu.
You know what's funny?
You
You know what's funny? You'll find most teachers like my high school who are teaching maybe subjects of finance and business. They don't own businesses.
It's fine.
Why are you teaching me?
Yeah, yeah,
You understand?
Mm.
So it's like that, power. It's like that. So I think that's the thing obvious is to learn more about how to handle money, right? And then communication skills also.
Yeah.
That's how you do business. You understand? You can have a good idea, but based on how you communicate with me, I might not be convinced, my guy.
True.
So you must have that thing, dog, to convince me. So communication skill, it's number one. I can put it like that.
Social skills.
Yeah, you must have that thing, man. You understand? Ungabi ingathi manje angiyabona imali yami la hayi. So you must have that thing, man. What's your communicator, man? Hey, Miss Yazin, I'm listening. Continue. You understand? So I think it's number one, and then obviously, number two is over here. Yeah, ube ne-literacy man yemali. Ukuthi imali ihandlela kanjani. But obviously, the communication skills, you get to learn more about those things. You understand?
Yeah.
You learn as you grow, man. But most importantly, put God first.
True.
Yes.
Yeah.
God first.
Final words.
Yes.
Put God first.
Ah.
Amen.
Final words.
Amen.
Put God first.
Even in your relationships, put God first.
Yes.
Yeah.
Shame. Yeah, related to.
Hey, man, come on, you know.
Okay,
Oh,
Marana correct. Amarana.
Why ubambang kunzima?
And it's not like you're so cold.
Why ubambang kunzi? Why ubambang kunzi?
Funike pisi yakhe umntwana abantu.
Wena dripile
So are you valid?
Okay, before I close it, I just want to be honest about something. I feel guilty. Utsepa fit get there in July, by the way. He didn't go, it was just yeah. So you good? Yeah, you good.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sharp. I mean, siyabonga ngokuba nathi today. Yeah, it was a fruitful conversation. It's one of those
Nice
things.
one.
Yeah, we must.
And they touched up in the
Yeah, important ones.
Yes.
Important ones.
Yes.
That's come cheating today.
Yeah.
And I wanted to go there, but I was like, hey,
Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on another episode. VSOP the government when no topic is not
when no topic is off.
Topic.
When no topic is off.
Bye.
Tanga.